sobia, blah blah blah, tata wota sobia. Who said? Who said? Who said that? Kantuan Nambi said that. That's why we're still doing that. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't even make sense at all. It does not make sense. It's not even this generation. It's just generally. Who said that Mukulu Tasobia? Do you know how many times I've heard that? Oh, respect your grandparents, blah blah blah. Give due respect. Yo, wake up. It's 2025. We're going into 2025. Respect is earned, not given. There's never once, bro. Let me not even say that on here, bro. But look. Right and wrong has no age. It's either right or wrong. They're not gonna be like, oh, he was wrong, but he's 10 years older than the guy that was right, so that means he's right. Bro, are we good?
Abba.
Are we good? When I came to Uganda last summer or the summer before, I'm so proud of my country. Whoever is doing the what's it called? Whoever is in charge of the structural work of the city is doing an amazing job. You know what I'm saying? Now it's left to us, the common people, to get rid and filter out these stupid ideologies. It's honestly shocking. This is another person that's to speak on what's it called? That's to plant seeds inside our young men that are going to grow up and have families and have such stupid ideologies. Oh, my son can't tell me nothing. My son can't tell me nothing because he's younger than me. I give him food. Blah 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 blah. Don't worry. Today,
Marcus.
bro, I have a lot to say today, bro.
Abba Marcus.
If tomorrow morning Museveni wakes up and wages war with Egypt, he's killed everybody. Okay, now imagine having that pressure. Imagine having that pressure every day. One man holds the whole country. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't make sense. Let's finish this video.
Yagambye ekya alcohol omuntu omutamivu ajjukira atya okusasula school fees za ku Galaxy mugimanyi Galaxy sente zesasula $2,200 omutamivu nakusasulira emyaka negiwera nakutwala ne Bulaaya nagula n'ennyumba nasira nga aweereza ne biiru saga bingira mu kubasi family yange naye kyannumye kozi oli abeera taatawo Abba nkwagala nnyo naye stop wamma.
I will not be stopping. Thank you. Okay. This is what I call guilty conscience needs no accuser. Okay? This is what we call guilty conscience needs no accuser. If anybody goes onto my video, I didn't once call my dad an alcoholic. I didn't say Ali Mutamiv. I didn't say that. Did I say that? Because it's on the internet. It'll be there forever, and I'm 100%. I did not say my dad's an alcoholic. The point that I brought up in my video, right? The point that I brought up in my video is that the people around my father enable him and do not care about his well-being. That's why they continue to let him do whatever he wants to do. And if anything, play devil's advocate on his left shoulder and encourage bad habits. Not once did I ever call my dad an alcoholic on my video. I brought attention to him and the people around him. Because if anything is to go down in flames, I want the whole country. I want the whole country to to see who was associated, so we can see the enablers. This is what we call guilty conscience needs no accuser. He knows he's in the same boat, so he feels like I am attacking that. I'm not attacking nobody, bro.
nyumba Galaxy mugimanyi Galaxy sente zesasula $2,200 omutamivu nakusasulira emyaka negiwera nakutwala ne Bulaaya nagula n'ennyumba nasanga aweereza ne biibu saga bingira mu kwasi family yange naye kyannumye.
I didn't even get on that video talking about oh yeah, my dad doesn't provide, yada 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 yada. My dad provides, bro. I never once said nothing. I didn't say that my dad's useless or nothing. I explicitly said multiple times that I love my dad to death, and he's been a good dad to me. But do you know that what you are is because of him? I think you need to do a little bit more reading. There's so many people in my life that add up to who I am, not just my dad. Don't let your love for his music fool you. I have so many more important people. My dad's just as important as everybody else in my life. I don't care if he's not happy with me. I don't care. Bro, I don't even want to say nothing, bro. I don't want to start.
Abba nkwagala nnyo naye stop wamma. Ense n'ogiraba nange babiŋŋamba ng'edda Mr. Mayanja ng'abiŋŋamba kulazikulabe. Ense n'oteetereza yeekutereeza. So wanaakula kirungi ate alina mu America first world. Wanaakula n'afunayo abaana nga waali omwana wa omukulu ajja kutegeera taata we kyaliko. Naye nga mwana muto tulina muwamu ne chance nti mwana muto is very young, ali mu pure.
The world will correct me. The world will teach me, right? If I'm not taught, the world will teach me. Bro. So he just supported alcoholism and said that if I don't learn to accept that people are going to use alcohol and risk their lives, the world will teach me that that's a normal thing.
But adolescence stage banamu
Wallace yatugambye chameleon tafuna mu music we gwenga gwo omuntu ofuna mu music
ekisaanidde ekigwanidde ekibezawo abaana nengulako akamotoka nemukyala na smiling naye nga kirungi nnyo nalabe Eddie Kenzo ba copyright
uko kyaga buzibu
wange amateeka oyo nange babiŋŋamba ng'edda Mr. Mayanja ng'abiŋŋamba kulazikulabe.
Bro, all I have to say about this is guilty conscience needs no accuser. He feels attacked because he's in the same boat. You know what I'm saying?
Hey guys, Abba Marcus.
Hold on.
Hey.
He feels attacked because he's in the same boat, to put it quite simply. You know what I'm saying?
Bubalowooza nti taata yali talina kyakola naye nga the idiot went to the best schools gye baakulira muyenga nga n'emmotoka ebatwala ku ssomero nga buli kye baagala bakiina bw'omubuuza maama we yali akola mulimu ki.
Okay.
Oh, my mother.
Okay, since he called me an idiot, I'm not gonna feel any type of way to hold anything back. I believe that this is a completely stupid, utterly stupid and idiotic take. I know for a fact he doesn't explicitly mention me. But context clues lead me to decide that this is a message that concerns me and what my cause had to do and how I came on TikTok and dealt with my family business, okay? All these things that he's saying are valid points, you know what I'm saying? But it's nothing special. Let me give you guys an example. There's one type of person that I do not like. There's people that complain about paying their children's school fees. Oh, I'm broke. Nasasude school fees. I just pay school fees. Who asked you to pay school fees? It's a what's it called? It is a it's what we call bare minimum. Your father sending you to good schools, your father providing food on the table, your father providing for your family, right? Your father providing everything for you to grow up to be a better man than he was it's what we call bare minimum. Nobody, exactly, it's his obligation. Nobody should give him a round of applause. Nobody should give no father a round of applause. Oh, good job, you sent your children to school, you gave them good food, you put clothes on their body, they're doing good in life because of you. Oh, great job. Is that how low the bar has gotten? Tell me if I'm wrong. Is that how low the bar has gone? Because to me, that's responsibility.
Like you find your auntie Josephine Nabu aggrieved by your grandparents, kindly give them the due respect. Find an elder, find somebody in the family, find your auntie Josephine Nabukera, find your uncle Pius Mayanja, they are way older than you. Find Uncle David, find Uncle Kasozi, talk to them, pass on your grievances, handle issues.
Okay, guys, we're gonna use simple 1 + 1 logic here for 2 seconds. All right. By the time I have to come on TikTok, I have to come on a public platform and address this issue publicly for the entire country to see. Do they think that was my first option? Do they think that I didn't exhaust everything else that I needed to exhaust before I came to the last resort? I didn't just wake up one morning, I'm like, oh, you know what, let's just post on TikTok. Let's just go on TikTok and post. You know what I'm saying? Bro, it's honestly shocking that someone like that cannot think about that. How do they not think about that? See my bed right here? They think that I just got up one morning out of this bed. You know what? Let's go and expose everything to the internet. Like as if I didn't exhaust everything I needed to exhaust. I see, appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? I thank her a lot from the bottom of my heart. You know what I'm saying? I thank her. That's the truth. Where's the videos? Julie gave my dad champagne on the plane. Alright, let me look at the videos. Bro, I don't see no videos, y'all. Look. Let me see if y'all can even see it. I don't see no videos, bro. And so go say he can't allow me to marry his daughters. Who said I want to marry his daughters? Like what? No one's doing me a favor by giving me their daughters. I don't care. I don't care about nobody's daughter. He's not the only guy with daughters in this world. Y'all want me to do these streams much more often though? Off topic. For sure. But I need the videos you guys are talking about. And Serico. Exactly. The issues dealing with King Saha and my dad are between them. I don't want to touch on that. That's none of my business. Are y'all gonna send me the videos or no? Team violence? No. No violence. Stream on Kick for sure. Was that everybody? Did I react to everybody? What is the one thing people misunderstand about me? I feel like, especially where I'm from, people misunderstand my outspokenness for disrespect. I'm gonna say something the way it is. I'm gonna say things the way they are, not to be disrespectful. Let's wait for their reply. Mayo yogurt. No. Alright, in regards to the future, what type of content do you guys want me to start doing? Timo and Junior. Y'all want vlogs? I could do vlogs.
Tempisone yekuba eddagala nga yekuba drugs. Kati
Look. Bro. Okay. Look. Does anybody on earth have a perfect life? Has anybody grown up without any trauma, without any experiences? If you've never effed up, put your hands in the chat. Put your hands in the chat. If we don't all have problems. You know what I'm saying? Right now is just because I'm break, but every day waking up out of bed to go to school and dealing with, like, bro, everybody has problems, but you don't see me resorting to other things. You know what I'm saying? This is a stupid excuse, to put it quite frankly, in the most respectful way possible. Yet again, the younger people of Uganda, both women and men, are looking at this video and wondering, and are thinking to themselves, oh, when I encounter problems in life, it's okay for me to pick up, like the example he gave, it's okay for me to pick up a syringe and start, you know what I'm saying? Does that make sense to y'all? It does not make sense to me. You know what I'm saying? The circumstances don't matter. Are we gonna say that all people that abused substance have had bad lives, it's not okay. Everybody goes through things. You don't see people picking up drugs. It's not everybody that does that. It's about the principle and discipline, and this is what I was talking about. These are like, this is enabling. Oh, chameleon, because you have so much going on, the whole public, the whole Uganda is watching you, yada yada. Go ahead and use that because that's your circumstance.
Mukama waffe yansindise.
Mukama wani
Omukulu mwennyini alien skin.
Agambye atya?
Gwayina ku following ey'amaanyi osobola okukoola abantu bagaye bagende banoonye obwenkanya ku Fangoni.
Abanupu bajje ku Fangoni gye babanoonyeza obwenkanya.
Yes sebo. Tusabye busabi.
Jangu mu video tukulabe
Sisobola kujja mu video. Naye nga basabye busabi bagendeyo mbu babimalirize. Simanyi oba bigenda kuggwa bitya, simanyi. Naye nga bagambye babanga kituufu nti bali serious, bagende essaawa yonna ku Fangoni babeerayo tebeetaaga na kukonkona.
Naye kati gwe byoyogera olaba birimu ku magezi naawe.
Birimu amagezi. Ntuusizza message ze ntumiddwa.
Kati we bajja ne babakuba.
Teri agenda bakuba, teri agenda bakuba, naye bagendeyo.
Beeraawo mulumba abantu. Simaya bano bajje. Kati abeeni yupi we bajjawo ku Fangoni ne babakuba mugenda kukola ki? Nenko wajje nkoyemu ebintu by'entalo. Kati kyali kibatwala ku kitebe kyoli. Mugende muwandiikeko ebigambo. Effujjo libasusse. Oli mumuleke. Mwaba balumba. Mwe munaavaawo ate tusaba gavumenti etute. Oli yakola ekitebe kye. Nammwe muyina ekyammwe. Lwaki buli omu tabeera gy'ali? Mwagala era kuzza ebyo bintu ebyali wano mu kalulu abantu ne bafa. Eryo effujjo terina gwe lijja kuyamba. Ekyo mbabuulira ng'abaagala. Effujjo teri gwe ligenda kuyamba wano. Era lyonna lijja tuka nammwe libamire. Nze mbabuulira. Ekitebe kya Bobi Wine mukyagaza ki? Abakoze ki? Mwakuzza bintu ebyakulwana. Ate bano sibanya beekube. Siba bano babakutte. Mudde mu bintu by'obbakwata. Naye nga n'ekibalwanya kyennyini kiriwa. Why are you fighting? Mulinga obwana bw'enjala. Gwe obeera Makindi. Oli ali Magere. Musisinkana wa? Nve mwammwe mwebyo ebintu by'ekisirusiru. Bintu by'okwerwanya. Mama mwina amaanyi babatwale mu kuba ekkoni. Lwaki tebabatwala mu Southern Sudan ne mulwanira eyo? Sepule ebintu by'okulwana byantama wano. Abasinga otakula entalo mwe abasinga obunafu. Muli banafu mwe abawakula entalo. Katudde mu ebyo oli bamukutte, ono bamute, oli bamuyigiye amannyo, ono takya. All for what? Mbo trending. Kati kiki trending so omuntu mu violence? Nje siwagira buzzi bwa misango. property z'abantu zina okurespectingibwa. Eri property si yaffe ya Bobi Wine. Kiri kitebe kye NUP. Nga nawe bw'olina ekitebe kyo. Muse ekitiibwa mu property z'abantu. Naye osobola kulumba property y'omuntu noza nange nja kuddaano nkuwagire. Bobi Wine si Munnayuganda. Mulimba nammwe eyo bagita criminal trespass. Mu mateeka obuzizza omusango. Kyoyagala okugamba ye President Museveni tagiraba nga agiyitako. President Museveni asiba ayitako NUP nga tagiwambanga magye gatayina.
Abalungi abatuwuliriza era abatulaba olunaku olwaleero tukyaddeko ewa Sheikh Asiraf Dembe.
Sebo sanyusa okubalaba. Amannya agange Seeka Asiraf Dembe akola ku bizibu by'enjawulo. Omuntu singa aba alina ebirwadde musomereddwa tumuwa amazzi ga lukuya nga bw'obadde ogalaba tugenda abantu ku kyoto ne twokya emizimu emibi egibabaamu n'okulomba edduwa. Abantu singa abeera ng'ali wano atuuse sobola okumulombera edduwa ne waba atatuuse nga mpadde amannya ge naye ng'ali wala. Manetaze enamba yange yeno eri 0707363711. Namwe bannyinaffe abali ebweru oyagala okuba nti oyagala okulombera ku dduwa ng'olina ebizibu visa zibuze amaka gakolongotana sente zikola zimpita mu ngalo ojja kumpeereza ekifaananyi kyo n'amannya go ebyo byokka bijja kummala nja kulombera edduwa ojja kutereera. Olunaku olusembayo mu mwezi mba n'edduwa eyawamu ffenna n'abalwadde bange abakadde n'abapya. Salaamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.